Hello guys, so for today's video, we will make a 3D figure using Autocad 2019 on Mac. So let's start. So keep on watching guys so that you can learn something in this video. So let's proceed. So first is to make sure na lahat ng settings natin sa lower corner ng screen sa right part is naka-enable. So kailangan lang natin i-check lahat ng hindi na-checkan na box. So, as you can see, while we are checking these boxes, nadadagdagan yung mga tools natin sa baba. So, after that, we need to change our workplace into modeling, 3D modeling from drafting. So, ngayon, nasa drafting tayo, kaya yung mga tools natin ay pang draft. So, we need to change that into modeling. So you just need to click here in the modeling part. After you click that, may mapapansin natin na na-change na yung mga tools natin from drafting tools into 3D modeling tools. So after that, we need to click in the ortho mode or just simply type Command L. So Command L. So, kapag tinype mo yung Command L sa Mac, may enable yung ortho mode niya. So, ano yung purpose nun? Ang purpose ng ortho mode is para hindi sumunod yung line sa cursor mo para maging straight lang siya. So, yan, straight siya sa kahit na anong side. While kapag naka-enable siya, ang line na magagawa natin ay susunod sa cursor natin na hindi natin gusto while making a isometric figure or 3D figure. So, we need to change that we need to enable the ortho mode. So, after we enable the ortho mode, we need to make sure also na nakaselect all yung DS settings natin or drafting settings. So, just to go there, just type DS and click enter. And click select all and click OK. So after that, nakapag-start na finish na natin yung lahat ng kailangan gawin sa first step, is ang second step naman is to find what is the easiest way to create the figure. So here in this figure, the easiest way to create this figure is to create it in the front view. So dito, naka-default siya ng naka-top. So, naka-top view tayo. So, from top, we need to change it to front. So, ayun yung way para ma-change yung view natin. So, click mo itong front, and change mo to sa view na gusto mong gawin. So, ngayon, kailangan natin ng front view. So, pabayaan lang natin siyang naka-front. So, after that, we need to click circle. Click circle or just simply type circle or CI and click enter. After that, we need to specify the center of the circle. So, click anywhere you like. So, I just click here dyan sa center, and dahil naka-diameter siya and itong circle na to ay naka-radius, so we need to change it to diameter. And to do that, we just need to click D and press enter. So naka-change na yung natin into diameter, and type 50. So nakagawa na tayo ng circle na may diameter na 50. After that, we need to create another circle with a diameter of 40. So click the center of the first circle and ulitin lang natin ginawa natin to change the radius to diameter. Type D and press enter. And press the diameter or type the diameter, which is 40. Enter. So, naka-create na tayo ng dalawang circle with a diameter of 50 and diameter of 40. Next is to change our view into Southeast Isometric view. Bakit natin kailangan i-change yung view natin from front to Southeast Isometric view? We need to change our view para mas madali siyang gawin na 3D. So, yan. So, naka SE Isometric view na tayo. So, kasi kapag hindi natin change yung view natin, mahirapan tayong i-3D yung figure. So, kapag na-change na natin, we need to extrude or extend this circle ng 20. And to do that, we just type extrude and press enter, or just simply click here and yan, and click the object that you want to extend. So I want to extend this figure into 20. So type 20 and press enter. So nag-change na siya into 20. Nagkaroon siya ng height na 20. So after that, we need to create another circle with a diameter of 30. So to do that, we just need to create another circle with a diameter of 30. Just type D and press enter, and type the diameter, which is 30, and click enter. And dahil nasa bottom siya, we need to move the circle from the distance na 60 plus 20, which is 80. So, kailangan natin siya i-change sa distance na 80. So, just to move, just type M and press enter. And specify the center of the object and type 80. Yun yung distance na gusto natin siyang i-move. So, once na na-type na natin yung 80, para mag-connect tong 40 na diameter natin na circle sa 30 na diameter natin na circle, we need to type loft. After we type loft, click natin yung first circle, na-click natin, and the next circle. Yung circle na gusto natin i-connect dun sa mas malaki nating circle. So, dahil gusto natin i-connect yung 30 diameter na circle sa 40 diameter na circle, so click natin din to. So, as you can see, nagkaroon ng mga connecting lines. So, kapag nakita mo na yon, just press enter twice, and that's all. And that's it. Nag-connect na yung 40 natin na circle sa 30 natin na diameter na circle. And to make sure na nag-connect siya and nag-form siya into 3D, we need to change our visual style from 2D wireframe to conceptual. So, as you can see, naging 3D na siya. So, nag-connect yung 40 natin sa 30 na diameter natin na circle. So, back natin siya sa 2D wireframe. And hindi pa tapos yung figure. So, kailangan natin gumawa again ng another circle na may diameter naman na 15. And so, kapag hindi natin makuha yung center, dun ulit natin gawin yan sa pinaka-una natin ginawang circle. So, mag-type tayo ng D and press enter, and type natin yung diameter natin na 15 and press enter again. So, ganun ulit gawin natin. So, click the object and type M and press enter, and specify the center point, and specify also the distance ng gusto natin i-move siya. So, gusto ko siyang i-move ng 80 again. So, type 80 and press enter. So, na-move yung figure natin ng 80 from bottom to top. So, dahil itong figure natin is butas from top to bottom, so we need first to union the two object. Kasi kapag binutasan na natin tong bilog na to, hindi siya mabubutas ng hanggang dulo. So, try natin siyang butasin. So, we can use press pull and click the circle na gusto natin butasin, or yung figure na gusto natin butasan. So, once na in-extend natin siya, ayun lang. Naputol yung butas hanggang dun lang sa bottom nung pangalawa nating figure, na hindi naman dapat. Kasi dapat hanggang dito yung butas niya. Hanggang dyan sa dulo niyan. ng first figure natin. And to make that, and to do that, we need first to union the two objects. And to do that, we just need to type union and press enter. And highlight the two figures or more than two figures and press enter again. So, as you can see, naging isa na yung figure natin. And kapag pinarest pull natin siya, yung 15 diameter circle natin, kapag pinarest pull natin siya at binutas natin hanggang baba, yan, nakita nyo, butas siya hanggang baba. So, to make sure na butas siya hanggang baba, we need again to change our visual style from 2D wireframe to conceptual. So, and yan, so makikita natin from X-ray na may butas siya hanggang dulo. So, to make sure, just rotate this and or type 3D orbit. Yan. So, makikita natin na butas siya hanggang dulo. And that's how you make a 3D figure in AutoCAD 2019 using Mac. So that's all, guys. That's how you make a 3D figure using AutoCAD 2019 on Mac. So stay tuned to my channel for future uploads for the tutorial of AutoCAD 2019 using Mac. So thank you, guys. Goodbye.